How do I generate regular sales on Redbubble? Making sales on Redbubble or any print-on-demand site. Takes time and a lot of promoting work on your part. The sales will come slowly at first and will continue to grow over time. Redbubble is not a place where you can just upload artwork. And then wait passively for the money to start rolling in. There are several factors at play that will in time. Make some of your designs stand out in internal searches. Number 1, upload quality work. Make sure your work is your own original creation. And has a distinctive style. Number 2, upload regularly. To upload frequently and consistently. The algorithm will give priority to artists. Number 3, you will need to drive through your own audience. This means you will need to promote your art to your own followers and let them know where they can buy it. Number 4, refrain from posting product pictures straight. Number 5, original artwork pictures. If you want to post product pictures, you created yourself and are in line with your brand identity. Number 6, think about your branding. I don't know any successful designer who sells on that platform that doesn't have a brand identity. A target audience, and a personal style. Redbubble or other print-on-demand sites are all very saturated markets. You will always have competition. So instead of finding a design nobody seems to be doing, aim at getting inspiration from a popular trend. And make it work with your own personal style. Most serious designers are constantly coming up Thanks for watching, like, share, and subscribe.